Today I'm planning to make vegetable lasagna. I have almost everything ready in the kitchen. Zucchini, eggplant, tomatoes, and even a few fresh herbs. But this time I want to add a special touch.
Vegetable lasagna is a great choice. It's light but also very filling. By special touch, do you mean adding something new to the recipe?
Yes, exactly. I'm thinking of spreading a bit of pesto sauce between each layer. It will add a fresh and aromatic flavor.
Pesto is a great idea. Also, soft cheeses like ricotta or mozzarella would work well. They create a creamy texture in each layer. Did you get those?
Oh, I completely forgot to buy ricotta. It's essential.
Then we should go to the market. Maybe we'll find some fresh veggies there too. Let's go quickly so we can get the cheese and get back to our lasagna.
Good idea. Fresh ingredients from the market are always better. How about we also pick up some mushrooms? They would add a nice flavor.
Look at these vegetables. They're so fresh. And look, there's a variety of mushrooms. Which type should we get?
Perfect. If we can find shiitake mushrooms, that would be even better. They give a rich flavor to the lasagna. Let's also grab some extra zucchini and red peppers to add color to the layers.
Definitely. A colorful lasagna is always more appetizing. By the way, should we get a few sprigs of fresh basil? Its aroma and taste are so refreshing.
Great idea. And how about adding Swiss chard instead of the usual spinach? It'll give a richer texture and add a unique taste to the lasagna.
Yes, Swiss chard is a fantastic alternative. Now we just need to find the ricotta. Shall we check the cheese stall over there?
Sure, that's a good spot. We might also find mozzarella. The smoothness of ricotta and the melting quality of mozzarella will be perfect with the vegetables.
Hello, could we get some ricotta and mozzarella, please?
Of course. Our ricotta is very fresh, and the mozzarella just arrived. How much would you like?
Let's get enough for a medium-sized lasagna. Now that I think of it, should we get some parmesan as well? It'll make a great topping.
Absolutely. Parmesan will give it a beautifully crisp crust on top. Now it seems like we have everything, right?
Yes, finally. Now let's head back to the kitchen and start making this lasagna.
Everything's ready. Let's start by lightly sautéing the vegetables. I'll turn on the oven so it heats up while we prepare the veggies.
Great idea. We'll start with the eggplant and zucchini, then add the red pepper and mushrooms. They should be soft but not fully cooked since they'll bake in the oven.
Once the veggies are ready, we can start building the layers. Let's coat the bottom with a bit of tomato sauce and place the first layer of lasagna sheets. Don't forget to spread a little pesto on each layer.
Yes, I'm adding a bit of pesto on each layer. Now I'm putting down the first layer of vegetables. I'll add some ricotta and mozzarella on top, followed by more tomato sauce. Every layer will be like this.
And for the final layer, let's sprinkle some parmesan on top. It'll melt and create a delicious crispy crust. Ready for the oven?
Yes, it's finally ready for the oven. I've set it to 180 degrees 30 to 35 minutes should be enough. I can already imagine how amazing it'll smell.
I can't wait. Once it's done, let's let it rest a bit before serving. It'll taste even better once it settles.
Absolutely. Let's wait patiently. I hope it turns out as delicious as we imagined.
Ingredients. I forgot a key ingredient for the lasagna. So, we need to go to the market. Fresh ingredients can really make a difference in the taste of your dish. 10-second repeat. Layer. Adding a layer of cheese on top will give the lasagna a deliciously crispy crust. Each layer of the lasagna has a different combination of vegetables and sauce. 10-second repeat. Saute. First, we need to saute the vegetables until they are slightly soft, Sauteing the mushrooms will bring out their natural flavors and add depth to the dish. 10-second repeat. Bake. After assembling the lasagna, bake it at 180 degrees for about 35 minutes. I love the aroma that fills the kitchen while the lasagna is baking. 10-second repeat. Flavor. Fresh herbs like basil add a wonderful flavor to the lasagna. Experimenting with spices can help enhance the flavor of simple ingredients. 10-second repeat. Oven. Preheat the oven before putting in the lasagna so it cooks evenly. The oven should be set at 180 degrees for this recipe. 10-second repeat.